Off a day, my name is Jeremy from Cherry Detailing, Guam's #1 detailing shop. We specialize in auto detailing, window tinting, and ceramic coating. And in this video, I'm going to show you the ceramic coating process. And today we have a Ford F-150 to work on. If you're wondering what a ceramic coating is and the benefits it provides, pause this video and watch our video called "What is a ceramic coating" in the description below. One of the most important parts of the process happens well before we do the ceramic coating itself. Before we can apply the coating, we need to prepare the vehicle with a very in-depth exterior detail. This part of the process is also known as the decontamination stage, because we want to remove any debris that might be on or embedded in the surface of your car's paint so that the coating can properly bond. Okay, so we're done doing the agitation phase. Now we're going to run some iron remover on it. This is Adam's iron remover. This helps dissolve any iron or metallic particles that are embedded in the paint. So with that being said, apply the paint. So once we're done with the iron remover, we're going to manually decontaminate the vehicle with the clay bar. This is a clay synthetic polymer that is designed to help pull contamination off the paint and into the clay bar, for example. After the decontamination, we need to do either a level 1 paint enhancement or a level 2 paint correction detail. This will be determined by the condition of your vehicle's paint. A level 1 paint enhancement detail is an easy to perform one-step polish all around the entire exterior of the vehicle, removing a very thin layer of clear coat, exposing and improving the shine and gloss of your vehicle. But if you have things like excessive swirling, deep water spots, scratches, you need our level 2 paint correction. This is a 2-step heavy cutting compound and polishing that will remove 80 to 90% of those deeper imperfections on your vehicle. We'll remove as many blemishes as we can while still keeping the integrity of your vehicle's paint. After that, we will polish and refine those imperfections, exposing clarity to the vehicle's true color. That's what a level 2 paint correction is. So depending on the condition of your vehicle, you'll need the level 1 paint enhancement or the level 2 paint correction detail first before we apply the ceramic coating. We need to do this first because if we don't, you won't get all the benefits that comes with the ceramic coating. In fact, because we care so much about our quality, we do not apply any ceramic coating to any vehicle that doesn't complete a paint enhancement or a correction. Some people go out and buy a bottle of ceramic coating and they apply it themselves without doing these first steps, and they don't realize that they are missing out on some great benefits. So we did a correction side on this side, which was the first cutting compound where we removed majority of the surface scratches. And then as you can see on the before, this is the side that we didn't touch yet. This has all, you can see all the scratches, the swirl marks, the minor oxidation that it has. So with the first step being the correction side, we were able to remove a lot of these surface imperfections on the clear coat. Now that we got a warm and fuzzy feeling of what we're dealing with and how the quality of, or how the paint's gonna look after we're done with the first correction stage, now we're gonna continue to do the remaining parts of the vehicle, and yeah, it's gonna look amazing. Hey guys, welcome back. We're now in the polishing and refining phase of the ceramic coating process. In this phase, we're going to remove DA haze, holograms, anything that was caused during the paint correction. This part of the process shouldn't take too long. We're just going to refine the entire exterior to bring out more clarity and more of that paint's true natural look. So by now, the car has been thoroughly detailed, the paint's been corrected, and everything has been polished. Right now, the car is looking its absolute best. Now we're ready to apply the ceramic coating itself, which is going to preserve this look and condition of the vehicle. In this phase, a certified technician will apply the System X Max, a 10-year ceramic coating by hand to each of the vehicle's exterior painted surface. We are extremely meticulous when it comes to applying it to ensure maximum benefit to you and your car. Let's get on with the application. After the coating is applied, it will have to cure or harden before it can effectively protect your car. This takes around 12 to 72 hours after the ceramic coating is installed. Depending on the type of coating being used, during that time your car should be away from any risk of getting wet. Something that's really cool is that the vehicle will get even glossier as the coating cures. So that's really cool to watch. All right, I'll see you guys in 24 hours. The curing phase is finally done, and I'm super excited to reveal how this Ford F-150 is looking so you can see the results for yourself. I hope you guys saw just how much detail, care, and skill that goes into doing a ceramic coating detail. No DIY wax will ever compare to a ceramic coating. The incredible look of the car, the protection it provides. If you want the benefits that only a professional grade ceramic coating can give you, give us a call, send us an email, and we'll get back to you with a plan that is suited for your vehicle's needs. If you're interested in a ceramic coating or any of the products used in this video, please click the description down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.